We love being annual pass holders to Walt Disney World, but there's just another thing that is very exclusive that everybody has, and everybody gets discounts and points in for the resorts, get special events at Walt Disney World, and yeah, that's right, I'm talking about DVC. Now, if you guys don't know what DVC is, that is a short term saying Disney's Vacation Club. Disney Vacation Club is a thing that you can sign up for. It's a membership, and you just get points for resorts. There's a lot of things that I don't know anything about. I just want to become a Disney Vacation Club in the future. Will I become a Disney Vacation Club? I think I just answered the question for you guys. Yes, I would love in the future for our family to become DVC members and to go to special events and to just have discounts on resorts and use those points maybe in California or Alani Resort in Hawaii and just other resorts around the world that that doesn't include a theme park in it. It can just be a resort near the beach and you enjoy a Disney resort room service or a restaurant while you're in the beach with your family. Like in Vero Beach, for example, there is a Disney resort, and that is a DVC resort, and you guys can use your points there. You guys can have a beach view and whatever. I've seen a lot of people go there and enjoy their vacation for a whole week using their points there at Vero Beach for Disney Vacation Club, Disney Resort at Vero Beach. Now, I know this sounds kind of funny or corny or whatever, but I do like, the reason why I would love to become a DVC member is because, yeah, the resorts and the points and all that, we know that you can get a lot of discounts and, and the cool merchandise or whatever, but they have special events at Walt Disney World inside the park where you can meet these special characters that you will never meet during a regular day at a Disney park. You never meet them. So like, it would be so cool if Disney will do that for annual pass holders that are trying. Maybe Disney can convince annual pass holders to become DVC members as well. If they do an annual pass holder event just like that with special characters, Disney, if you're hearing this, if we're on the same page here, good. But yeah, I really do want to become a DVC member. I don't know anything about it. We're gonna do more research as a family to become DVC members in the future, maybe 2 years from now, 3 years from now. We don't know when, but we know that we want to become Disney Vacation Club members in the near future. Now, what home resort are we looking for? Maybe, hopefully, Boardwalk or Disney's Polynesian Resort, or it might be Contemporary, but it's gonna be between Boardwalk or Polynesian Resort if we become DVC members. If you are a DVC member, let me know what is important about DVC information, whatever. If you guys have any clues or tips and tricks for DVC, please leave it in the comments down below. I'll read it and I'll get more information from you guys that are experienced DVC members. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.